How to delete your Facebook account. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, we need to open the Facebook app on your phone. If you're on mobile, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right, then scroll all the way down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap to expand it, then tap on Settings. Now, whether you're on mobile or desktop, tap on Account Center. Once you're inside the Account Center, scroll down and tap on Personal Details. At the bottom, you'll see an option called Account Ownership and Control. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, choose Deactivation or Deletion. If you have multiple accounts linked, select the Facebook account you want to delete. Once selected, choose Delete Account. Then tap Continue. Facebook will ask you to give a reason for deleting your account. You can pick any option or just skip it by pressing Continue. You'll then see some information about what happens when your account is deleted, including what data will be removed, and that you have 30 days to cancel the deletion if you change your mind. Once you've reviewed that, tap Enter your Facebook password, and then tap Continue again. On the final screen tab, Delete Account to confirm. Facebook will then show a message saying your account is scheduled for deletion. That means it's been successfully set for removal, but you still have a 30-day window to log back in if you want to cancel the deletion. After that, it's gone permanently. And that's it. Your Facebook account is now deleted. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.